Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be an Amazon product tester. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. The first method to be an Amazon product tester is through Amazon Vine. It is Amazon's invite-only program where it selects a group of reviewers called Vine Voices. These Vine Voices then receive products from Amazon third-party sellers for testing and reviewing. So in order to become a Vine Voice, you should start reviewing your Amazon purchases regularly. The quality and helpfulness of your reviews can catch Amazon's eye and can possibly land you an invite to test their products. Second method is through the third-party Amazon review sites. You can sign up for the Amazon review sites like Buypun, and another site is Snacks Out. You can check out these websites. You can create your accounts in these sites. If you become the member of these sites, you can get products either for free or heavy discounts in exchange for your reviews. So you can try out these and try your luck to be an Amazon product tester. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.